Right, folks. So today we're going to take a look at the AZ formula. Wondering if it's a scam or legit. Basically, there's this whole video here telling you what, some of what it is and whatever. So you can watch that at their site if you probably already have watched it. And you have to enter your name and email. And that takes you right to a form to pay $37. And then we have, Huffington Post and Forbes and Mashable and Business Insider, all these logos here, and the founder and CEO, Stephen Cook, and all this other stuff here. So basically, I'm gonna make this real quick because this guy here that's a stock photo from what's it called? Shutterstock. I have the link actually right here. You can go to the Shutterstock link. That's the CEO of this company, and there's other pictures of him as well down here, just chilling out. This one, that one. So obviously, big red flag. There's testimonials in that video. This girl right here, she's on Fiverr, advertising, to make testimonial videos, spokesperson videos. So obviously that's a fake, very fake testimonial. So there you go. There's no need to even look any further. Complete distrust, dishonest. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing, I do recommend clicking the link in this video. I'll take you to this website here, my website, affiliatemarketingbiz.com with dashes in between. And we'll get you started on a legitimate, no scams, real testimony, real people kind of thing. So, and that's right here, actually. So let's check it out. If you really want to get serious about making money online, let's check this out. And that's all for now. And I will talk to you soon.